Hello guys, today I'm gonna show how to enable telnet in Windows 10. First we need to use it control panel. So there you have to go to application management. In this control panel you have to visit programs and features, then turn Windows features on or off, then you select telnet client, click OK, and it will search the required files to install the telnet. So after that you need to restart the PC, so telnet it will be installed. So next video how to do the telnet, so I'll teach you how to do the telnet. Okay, telnet is installed now. So next video I'll just teach you how to use the telnet.